Taste and see Tampa Bay's water adventures are powered by Freedom Boat Club of Tampa Bay.
Today, we're fishing at the Sunshine Skyway with Freedom Boat Club of Tampa Bay. You gotta make sure you hold on to your hat. Yeah. And to your seat.
I'd say the thing I enjoy about Freedom the most is just the freedom to have boats at any given time at my dispense, anywhere on the water in the bay or pretty much on the coast of Florida and all over the country. Just no hassle. You show up, your boat's there, it's ready to go. Fishing with Freedom Boat Club is the fact that I can fish pretty much anywhere in the area and have a boat available. I don't have to tow my boat anywhere. I can just show up over here and go fishing. Yes, sir.
Woo! Wow, what a beautiful day. Great day for some fishing. All right. First catch of the day.
Very nice.